So once you have your part, you're gonna find where you're gonna lay your halo. So I want you to take like 3 fingers and put one right here and then the other 2 to follow. Yep, and then you're just gonna take a big swoop around, perfect. Separate that hair out. And then toss it back. And put that string right on that part you did. Yeah, now pull that string forward a little bit more. Just so it lays a little bit more on that. There you go.
Okay.
Okay. Everything else will kind of perfect.
Okay.
How's that feel? Is it even? You need to adjust that.
I think it's good.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Now go ahead and pull that down. How's it feel in your hair? Does it feel secure? Does it feel, yeah?
Yeah.
Combing right on top of that string. Yep.
Like that?
Okay.
I think that looks pretty good.
It does look really good.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
It looks so good.
That's so good.
Yeah. Love it so much.